Thank you for choosing to have 2 minutes and learn mental health. Please be part of this conversation and let everyone know that there is no health without mental health. We appreciate you for the support. Second, cluster personality disorders. These involves a consistently dysfunctional pattern of dramatic, overly emotional thinking or unpredictable behavior. They include antisocial personality disorder, ASPD. It is associated with lack of respect toward others and don't follow socially accepted norms or rules. People with APSD may break law or cause physical or emotional harm to others and refuse to take responsibility for their behaviors and or display disregard for their negative consequences of their actions. Narcissistic personality disorder. This condition involves consistent beliefs of being special and more important than others, an excessive need for praise and admiration, and lack of empathy for others. Borderline personality disorder, BPD. This condition is marked by strong fear of being alone or abandoned, feelings of emptiness, self-harm threats, difficulty with emotional regulation resulting in low self-esteem, mood swings, impulsive behaviors, and subsequent relationship difficulties. Histrionic personality disorder. People with this disorder always seeks attention, easily led by others, very concerned with physical appearance, speaks dramatically with strong opinions and has few facts or details to back them up. Their self-esteem depends on approval of others and doesn't come from true feeling of self-worth. In our next episode, we will go deeper into third cluster of personality disorders, as well as the causes and treatment of personality disorders. Join us in creating mental health awareness by subscribing to this channel, commenting, liking, and sharing this video to reach more people. This is a Resilience Couch.